You remember this headphone, right? It's the Zebronics Zeb-Thunder wireless headphones. I made a review of this a couple of months ago and I told you that it's not that great, don't bother buying this. And for some reason it seemed to upset quite a lot of you. Like you kept asking me that what did you expect for 500 rupees? This is the best that you would get. And I understand, like this budget is a fairly low budget for a wireless headphone in this price range. So you can't expect much from it. But I still don't think you should buy this if you have these parameters. Number one, your ears are this size. Yeah, measure your ears with a ruler, and if it's this size or bigger, don't buy these kind of headphones. They will not fit you well. This is supposed to be an over-ear pair, but look how tiny the ear cups are, right? They fit directly on your ear or maybe just on the outside rim of it, and it gets very sweaty after a while. So I really wouldn't recommend this to anyone who has a tall ear like mine. Like if you just spend a little bit more, you'll get much better options. So I really don't recommend you go under 1000 rupees if you're looking for over-the-ear wireless headphones. For instance, just for 1200 rupees, you have the Bolt Audio Boost, which I really liked after using it for a while. I gave it to my friend and they liked it a lot too. There's also the Boat Rockers 550, which is a fantastic alternative to the very famous Rockers 510, which many of you had. This thing has slightly better build quality compared to the 510. And all these come at around 2000 rupees, which I understand is quite a lot of money compared to 500 rupees, but the experience is drastically better. Like I'm saying 2 to 3 times better. In accordance to the price tag. So not only is the price double, you are also getting the experience which is twice as good. I mean, I don't think a normal person would buy more than one headphone per year or something like that, right? So can't you spend a little bit more for yourself just for one time purchase? And fine, if you are stuck on this budget and you need to have the best experience, then don't go for this. There are some alternatives which I will say right now, which are very similar to this, and again, if your ears are smaller than the early measurement I gave you, only then go for that. Otherwise, forget about it. You'll be better off with a wired headphone in this price range, which has much better ear cups compared to a wireless one. I noticed for some weird reason all the headphones that are under this price range or in the similar price range look very similar to this, like it's like the same body with different branding. And really there's nothing wrong with the sound quality of these things. Nowadays we have reached a point where even budget headphones, almost like 70% of all the budget headphones have really good sound. The drawbacks come with the build quality and the comfort. I guess design is one of those areas where we haven't found any good ODMs who make very comfortable designs in a budget. But that being said, one option from Leaf, like the Leaf Base, it does seem to have better quality cushions than this one does. And it also comes with the same price range of $799, so I think that's a better alternative than this Zeb-Thunder. There's also another option which is again very similar to this from Petron called the Petron Studio, I believe. That has much better headbands than this. I mean, this headband is not doing anyone any favors. So that has much better headbands and also better cushions than this. So everyone has done a slightly better job than Zebronics in my opinion. Zebronics has a lot of great products and I loved using their products before, but sadly this one isn't one of them. I found one more option in the same wireless segment, which is around 2000 rupees from Lumiford. It's called the Lumiford HD70. Because they're trying to match the Sennheiser's way of branding headphones like the HD180 or HD206, but they're all wired headphones and this one is wireless. The cushions seem pretty good and the ear cups can swivel on each side, so that's pretty nice. I mean, I just made this list so you have some options to pick from in case you have slightly medium-sized ears which can easily house inside one of these headphones. But I still recommend you go for around 2000 rupees margin if you're looking for wireless over-ear headphones because the quality will drastically be better. Yes, these are good and they get the job done, and if your ears fit well inside this, then I guess you will be okay with it. But I'm not comfortable recommending products to you that I don't personally like because I can't vouch for their satisfaction that you would get. And again, you can get slightly better build quality than this for a little higher price tag. So just go for it. If you don't have the budget now, then I recommend saving a little bit of money so you get better product that will last you much longer and you would enjoy using it. Anyway, those were some quick alternatives I found for the Zeb-Thunder. Again, I'm not recommending that headphone, but you can go for any of the other ones. All the links will be in the description. You can check them out. If this video helped you out or if you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. So I'll see you there. Cheers.